Tired of manually transferring data between your Google Sheets and other apps? In this video, we'll show you how to connect Google Sheets to N8n, unlocking powerful automation possibilities in under 2 minutes. First, open N8n and create a new workflow. Click the Add Trigger button and search for Google Sheets. Select the Google Sheets trigger. Now, you'll need to create or connect your Google account. Click the Connect Account drop-down and choose Create New. This will open a Google authentication window. Choose the Google account you want to use with N8n and grant N8n the necessary permissions to access your Google Sheets. Once authenticated, paste the URL of the Google Sheet you want to use into the Spreadsheet URL field. Make sure the sheet is publicly accessible or shared with the service account email provided in the authentication window. Next, specify the range of cells you want to retrieve data from, for example, A1 B10. Click the Execute Once button to test the connection and retrieve data from your Google Sheet. You should now see the data from your spreadsheet displayed in N8n. Now, click Add Note and choose any other app you want to connect Google Sheets to. For example, you could send the data to a database, a CRM, or a messaging app. That's it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to N8n, and now you can build powerful automations to streamline your workflows and save time. For more detailed information and advanced configurations, check out the links in the description below. Happy automating!